Guys, this is my rescue. What's your name? Wala pa siyang name, guys. Kasi, hindi sa amin. Joke lang. Ang sakit niya, guys, is nagtatagorger. Like, nanginginig siya kapag nabubusog masyado. And parang may rabies siya, pero wala siyang rabies. Kinulong ko muna siya dyan, pinaliguan ko siya. Then, hindi na siya masyadong nanginginig. Papahinga muna daw siya. You need a privacy. You need a privacy? Yeah, you need a privacy. You're so cute. And that was my dogs. They're fighting. Yee. That white is, his name is Zing Zing, and that was Moi Moi, but I prefer to her name that Black because he's black. But his nickname is Moi Moi. Oh, di ba guys, nanginginig siya. Nanginginig siya. Kaya papagalingin ko muna siya. Nagiging ganyan daw siya kasi madami siyang pinakain. Yan, tignan nyo yung tiyan niya, sobrang laki. Kaya hindi mo na ikaw pakain ng konti-konti lang. Okay? Yes, ganyan din siya umupo. I don't know why. Parang people. Oh, nakaantok na siya, guys. He miss her mother. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Zing Zing. Bye-bye, Black Muy Muy. Malaki na siya. Ha? Bakit nandun yung pagkainan mo, Bi? Yan. That was our motorcycle. We call that kolong-kolong. RT. And this is our house, our proper house. That was their t-shirt. And this is my ugly sister. And this is my handsome dog. Yeah.